Good morning to everyone. Today I will be telling you about shot put or putting the shot. It is not a throw, it is putting the shot. People say it's a throwing event. Actually, it is a field event. Athletic is categorized into two categories. First one is track event and the other is field event. Now let me say what is the aim? What is the aim of putting the shot? Aim of putting the shot is to put the shot as far as possible from a 7-foot diameter, that is 2.135 meter. Why I am saying shot put, not shot put throw? As shot put is putting itself means pushing rather throwing. Putting is pushing and not throwing. Shot put must not drop below the line of shoulder at any stage. When you are holding the shot, see, this is the position when you are holding the shot. You cannot hold the shot cannot come behind the shoulder line. It cannot come behind the shoulder line. Otherwise, it will be a foul. Now, let me say the specification of the shot put. What is the weight of the shot put? The weight of the shot put is 7.026 to 7.028 kg for men and 4.005 to 4.025 is for the women's. You might have seen that one white stop board or toe board is kept just in front of the throwing sector. That shot put circle is there from where you are putting the shot. There you have seen a white stop board or toe board. For what it is kept there? What is the purpose of keeping it there? It is kept there in order to give you maximum thrust or maximum force. Suppose this is the stop board. It is usually bended like this, semicircle. So you can bang it from the side, not on the top. If you are touching on the top, it will be a foul. So let me say the specification of the stop board or toe board. The length of the stop board should be 1.21 to 1.23 meter, whereas the breadth should be 112, that is 112 to 130 mm. Same with the height should be 98 to 102 mm. Diameter of the shot should be 110 to 130 mm. Diameter of the circle should be 2.135 meter. Now let me say, you might be thinking, if the weight is 7 kg, so who was the person in the men and women section who has thrown the farthest distance? So let me tell you, Randy Barnes. Who has put the shot a distance of 23.12 meter in the year 1990. Whereas in the women's section, Natalia has put the shot 22.63 meter in the year 1987. Shot put technique or styles. Let me say you clearly, there are basically two styles or two techniques for putting the shot. First one is glide technique and the other one is rotational technique. So today I'll be telling you what is the stance. Stance means standing position. Suppose this is the throwing sector, shot put circle. How to hold it? Catch the shot with the fingertip. Catch the shot so that the shot should not touch this part. Shot should not touch this part. Hold the shot. Placement. Next step is placement of the shot. This part, this one should be 90 degree, same as this one. This also should be 90 degree. Push it. Once again, hold the shot. This part should not touch. Placement of the shot. This one 90 degree. This angle also 90 degree. Push towards your chin. Now put your whole body weight on the right side, right leg. Then you will find that your left leg has lifted little bit up. Let it go back. So today what I told, what is shot put? Is it a putting the shot or throwing the shot? Next one, what is the aim of the shot put? Then I told you the specification of the shot put, who has shot put the farthest distance in men's section and women's section. Next part I told the specification of stop board, what it is, why it is used, what is the length of the stop board, breadth of the stop board, height of the stop board, diameter of the start part, diameter of the circle for start part, and at last I told you what is the stance, standing position when you are putting the shot, holding the shot, how to hold it, and placement of the shot. So for today, with this much only. Thank you.